Radish. Now with our radish, we want it to be firm with no blemishes or slime on its surface. We'll begin by topping and tailing. And first method is to slice into thin rounds, perfect to use as a garnish or in a salad. It's a great way to test your knife skills as well. The more even you can get them all the way around, the better. We can also slice into quarters and then into wedges. And these are great for pickling or roasting. Another method is to cut into half circles, also great for including in salads. And there is our radish.